Adding a reinforcement lock can increase security without making everyday use cumbersome if you choose the right hardware and install it with accessibility in mind. A good starting point is to choose a spring-activated reinforcement lock that allows one-handed operation so adults can unlock the door while carrying items. Measure the door and frame clearance before buying equipment and test a prototype on the hinge side and strike side to confirm smooth engagement without binding. Position the lock at a height that adults can reach comfortably but is out of reach of small children, typically between 4 and 5 feet from the floor depending on household members. Use a small step or lever if a member needs a slightly lower placement. Confirm that the added hardware does not interfere with existing handles, deadbolts, or electronic keypads by operating each latch repeatedly to observe wear and necessary tolerance. Use long screws that penetrate the structural framing rather than just the jamb to ensure the reinforcement holds under force while still allowing normal daily use. If anyone in the household has mobility limitations, consider adding a flip lever or larger paddle-style actuator that requires minimal finger strength while maintaining catch reliability. Finally, always run several full door cycles after installation and adjust strike plate alignment so the lock seats smoothly even if the door settles seasonally. Common issues include difficulty operating the lock with one hand because the mechanism is stiff. Loosen the spring tension where adjustable or replace with a lighter spring-activated model so the lock snaps open with a single thumb press. Another problem is accidental locking by children who can reach the control. Move the control higher or install a simple child safety cover so the lock stays usable for adults but not easily manipulated by kids. A third concern is interference with existing hardware causing binding and premature wear. Resolve this by checking backset and strike alignment, using shims to correct misalignment, and testing all hardware together before final screw installation. On BigHomeProjects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and compare project ideas related to door safety and accessibility. We also help contractors find work and join a discussion community where we share installation tips, product experiences, and practical guidance.